If you're hoping to make your time at the beach or pool more than just a few splashes and thoughts about how much pee was in the water you just swallowed by accident, then you're in the right place. In this video, we'll be serving up 5 gadgets that are guaranteed to make for a fun time while in the water. And just so you know, links to all the gadgets mentioned here can be found in the description box below. First up, we've got the Navbo underwater scooter from Sublu. This underwater sea creature can take you 20,000 leagues under the sea, whether that's out in the deep blue or just in your backyard pool. Just kidding about the 20,000 leagues part. The dual-motor scooter features 3 speeds with a max speed of 4.5 miles per hour and a potential runtime of up to 60 minutes. It can take you as deep as 130 feet down below and lets you know when it's time to head back up to the surface with the built-in low battery indicator. It's perfect for water lovers of all ages and backgrounds, from the kids to enthusiasts to the professional scuba diver who loves spending time with their underwater friends. And it features a camera mount for your GoPro or other compatible camera, so you can capture those awesome photos we all love to see. The Navbo comes in at a pretty hefty price tag, but even at half the price, you can snag up other awesome models of the sea scooter that may not get you all the professional bells and whistles, but are just as much fun for the entire family. Next up, we've got the Form Smart Goggles for the athletic swimmers out there. On the surface, these may look like your ordinary swimming goggles, but for the competitive swimmer, these may be an indispensable tool that keeps you at the top of your game. These smart goggles can keep track of your swimming distance, split time, even your strokes, and displays your performance all in real time on the surface of these goggles using the same technology found in fighter jet helmets. You can even connect these goggles to your Apple or Android device to keep track of your performance over an extended period of time. Coming in at number 3, we've got the Dolphin Wizard from PowerVision, which is a water surface drone that packs a ton of neat features. This bad boy can run at speeds of up to 10 miles per hour, which means that they're great for competitive water racing and boasts 2 hours of runtime from its 5,800 mAh battery. The 12-megapixel Ultra HD camera gives you super crisp 4K video at 30 frames per second, and at lower resolutions can get you up to 240 frames per second. The camera can be angled to record either above or below the water surface, and with the Power Seeker add-on, you can even map out the underwater terrain, send temperature and depth data back to your smartphone, and search for the best fishing hotspots. And if you end up with your drone top-sided, no need to worry. It'll just flip itself back over, and with the push of a button, your drone can automatically find its way right back to you. Pretty neat, right? If you've been enjoying the juicy gadgets that we've been serving up so far, be sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more of the best tech the internet has to offer. If you love fishing, then you'll love this next one. With the GoFish Cam, you can see exactly what's happening at the hook of your fishing line by attaching this wireless underwater camera that sends a live video feed directly to your smartphone. Just attach the GoFish Cam near the end of your line, then throw your bait and simply watch the action unfold. This little camera streams full HD 1080p video at 60 frames per second, can drop as much as 500 feet deep, and has built-in night vision in case things get too dark. You can reel in up to about 1,000 pounds with the cam still attached, and works perfectly fine even at sub-zero temperatures. And for the last of our underwater gadgets, we've got the PowerRay Wizard from PowerVision, the same company that brought us the Power Dolphin from earlier on in this video, only this time we're going down under. The award-winning submarine drone moves freely at a speed of 4.6 miles per hour and goes to about 98 feet deep. The drone can be tethered to either yourself or a sturdy object and has an amazing 4-hour battery life. The built-in 12-megapixel camera streams 4K video and takes stunning still pictures, but one of the coolest things about the PowerRay Wizard is that it comes with a pair of VR goggles that puts you, or anyone really, in the driver's seat and gives you that immersive first-person experience of what's happening underwater. And guess what? You can use this for fishing too. If you opt in for the Power Seeker add-on, that gives you real-time underwater mapping, temperature, and depth data, and you can scan for the best fishing hotspots in the area. Now you've made it this far, be sure to take a bite on that subscribe button and stick a fork in the notification bell, because we're going to be bringing you more cool gadgets whether you like it or not. And just as a reminder, the links to everything we've mentioned here can be found in the description box below. So there you have it. Till next time.